This next tree is really fun as well because I'm going to be using Brusho. So if you're not familiar with Brusho, I'm about to show you. It's so much fun. So I'm going to start with sketching. So I'm just gonna lightly add a little bit of color so that it shows on the video a bit. I'm basically just sketching like a little triangle at the top with water. And then I'm going to do another, I don't even know what to call this shape. It's like a flat triangle. So a little bigger, the top is missing. So it's flat and not pointy. Oops. I was not supposed to color that in. Trying to remove the color a little bit, but it should still be okay. And then finally, the bottom part, which is even larger. So I'm pressing down, adding water, just to make sure you can see it. Alright, so I'm grabbing my Brusho powders and I'm using leaf green and turquoise. So I'm going to start with a little bit of turquoise on the right hand side, and then I'm adding the leaf green on the rest of it. And I'm even going to add some on the left hand side. So then I'm taking my water brush and I'm just going over the lines again just to kind of correct it to my liking. Since, you know, it's kind of hard to sketch with water since you can't really see those lines. So that's the trick with Brusho. You can then go over these lines a little bit. And then you can even, since, you know, I don't like these harder lines, I'm just going in there and sort of blending them in a little bit into the shape so they're not like super harsh lines. So if you find yourself with those, you can easily correct those as well. And there you have it, our super simple and super fun Brusho Christmas tree.